I thought it's time to make a new video again, because that's exactly what inspires me. The trip starts in Bolzano, the city under the world famous Dolomites. After exploring the city and catching the sunrise, it was time to move on to the mountains. I'm now here at the top of Seceda, and I must say the view is breathtaking, and I will never forget the Dolomites, the cliffs, ridges, everything, the peaks. They are so special. I'm out of breath. Now I think I'm gonna fly my drone, my FPV drone. So I'm gonna diving the ridge there, the famous ridge. I'm a bit nervous, but that's okay. I'm every time nervous when I fly something special with my FPV. Just breath. It's gonna be okay.
There's a pain in my chest that I can't describe. It takes me down and leaves me there. When I talk to the night, I can feel it still. It creeps inside and meets me there. At least I'm alive. At least I'm alive. Believe me, believe me, believe me, believe me. That I can't describe. I close